If you want to verify your Bluehost domain on Google Search Console, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can connect your domain properly, get verified, and start using Google Search Console with confidence. This is important because once your domain is verified, you can monitor indexing, check performance data, and make sure Google can understand your website better. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to Google Search Console and sign in with the Google account you want to use for your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Add Property, Property, and click on it. This is where you tell Google which site you want to connect. Next, you'll see different property types and you want to choose domain. Selecting domain is the best option because it covers your entire domain, including all subdomains and both HTTP and HTTPS versions. After that, enter your Bluehost domain name carefully. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears and double check for any mistakes or extra spaces. Even a small typo can prevent verification from working correctly. Once your domain is entered, click Continue. Google will then give you a verification step, so click Verify to begin the process. In some cases, Google may prompt you to log in where the domain was created. Since this is a Bluehost domain, that means you may need to sign in to the Bluehost account associated with the domain. If that happens, enter your username and password carefully and make sure there are no missing characters or typos. This part matters because if your login details are incorrect, the verification process will fail or stall. After signing in, authorize the connection when prompted. This allows Google to confirm that you own the domain and complete the setup. Once you've authorized it, give it a minute to process. Sometimes verification is instant, and other times it takes a little bit of time for everything to connect properly. If the verification doesn't complete right away, don't panic. Just wait a moment and refresh if needed. Once it goes through, your Bluehost domain will be verified in Google Search Console and you'll be ready to start using the tools inside your account. From there, you can submit sitemaps, inspect URLs, monitor search performance, and watch how your site appears in Google results. This is one of the most important setup steps for any website owner, blogger, or business using Bluehost. So if you followed along and got verified, great job. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.